The last 3 shades of this 12-pan palette I am finishing up today. Here is this palette. This little palette surprised me. There are some of them that are powdery, but I think it's only 2. But the whole palette, gorgeous. I am surprised by it. Today's I am came from the comments, and it said, I am letting go and moving on. I am letting go and moving on. That is such a powerful message because it is so hard for us to let go and move on to the next chapter in our life or the next step or the next season. So making the choice to let go and moving on is always a big, giant step. So know that you are doing a very, very powerful thing by letting go and moving on. There was this beautiful, beautiful comment, and it says, I release all anxieties and embrace the serenity within me. That is beautiful. Let us release all anxiety and embrace the serenity within us. We have it. We just have to dig in for it. Because sometimes we bury stuff on top of stuff on top of stuff. It's like, think like you have a closet and you buy stuff and you put in there and you keep putting. And one day you're looking for something, you know you have it because you bought it, you remember buying it. And it is in that closet that you are looking for it. You have to take off hanger after hanger after hanger before you can find it. And when you find it, you're very happy because like, oh, thank God, I don't have to buy another one, right? Same thing with searching for stuff within us. We have to find the patience and the time and search for what we're looking for within us. I thought I was filming. Always remember to be brave to tell someone else what you are going through. Be brave. Stand up for yourself. If you're not standing up on the outside, stand up on the inside. Be brave and tell someone else what you are going through. Because silence is not an option. Don't settle for silence. When you are hurting, silence is not an option. Be brave, stand up, and talk to somebody. I know in the beginning, I say I am only going to use 3 colors that I haven't used before, but it was only one color I have never used, was the light green that is all over my eyes. I am now going into the black, and I am going to just shape this eye so I can have a beautiful eye look. I hope and pray that this video meets you and greets you wherever you are. If this video have impacted you or helped you with something, please share it with someone else because someone else might need help also. Lip combo, Juvia's Place. She's royal. Also, Juvia's Place, maroon. She's Royal is in the middle. I know you can't see it much, but it's there. And maroon is on the outskirts of my lips, and I line it with this wine lip liner. This is old. I used to buy these at Sally's. I don't see it no more. Today's look with the Lonely Scarecrow. This palette is pretty. I love it. Take a look. Isn't it pretty? So gorgeous. I use 5 colors because I use the brown and the black to darken the outer corner. And then the green, light green, that's all over my eyes. That was the only shade I had not used in that palette yet. Remember, today's I am. It is I am letting go and moving on. And that is a very powerful move because sometimes we get stuck so long that it takes a long time to let go and move on. So when you get to that stage in your life and you're doing that, don't think you wasted time or it took you too long or why is it now it's happening? It's happening because it's time to happen. That's it. Don't force anything else until I see you and you see me. Remember that you are loved, you matter, you are enough, and most of all, you belong. Bye. Share this video.